you want to eat? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Huh? You trying to tell me something? Huh? What? Where are you taking me? Where Norman, you hungry? Norman, you hungry too? Huh? You hungry too? What about you? What about you? Are you a circus dog? Are you going on America's Got Talent? Show me. Who's going on America's Got Talent? Who's going? You? You? Nancy! Yay! Here comes Norman! Yay! Circles, I'm getting dizzy. Teddy! Yay! Who wants to eat? Who does? Who does? Who wants to eat? Who wants to eat? Yay! Circus dog! Yay! Yay! Who wants to eat? Yes! Up! Okay, enough. That's loud.